stripes on top. They were there fighting back on the front lines, strapping up their boots before the sunrise, and their mamas up all night in fear. They were there in the name of a hometown, of a last name that was passed.
I am so proud of you for selflessly serving our country for 22 years. I know you made a huge difference and impacted so many people's lives. We are also so thankful for everything you've sacrificed for our family. We wouldn't be who we are today without you leading us. I love you more every day.
Hi, my name is Zachary Pape and my dad is Randall Pape. My dad serving in the military has not only meant a lot for my family and myself, but for many others. The sacrifices that he's made has truly impacted me in many ways. The selflessness he's shown and hard working are some of the things that I like to consider, and I would just like to wish him a happy Veterans Day.
Dad, you've showed our whole family what true sacrifice means by your 22 years of service to our country. I'm extremely thankful and blessed for the leadership that you have taught me. I just wanted to say thank you, and I love you, and happy Veterans Day.
Hi, Daddy. I just wanted to say happy Veterans Day really fast and thank you for your service, but not only your service and sacrifice for our country, but the sacrifice that you made for our family. Mom and the boys and I are so blessed to have you in our life and have someone who's so selfless, and I just want to thank you for that. But I also want to thank you for inspiring me and making me also realize that freedom isn't free and not to take freedom for granted, and just a reminder every day as I live my life. I love you so much, Dad, and I'm so proud of you.
Hey, Dad, I just want to thank you for your service and all the sacrifices you made for our country and for our family. Love you.
Randall Ashley, happy Veterans Day. Thank you for your service. Thank you for always being there for me and my kid. You've been a wonderful inspiration to my kid. There's a lot of things that I couldn't have been through without your support. So thank you for being you, and thank you for all your years of service and sacrifice.
Happy Veterans Day, Randy. The amount of respect that I have for you is through the roof. I appreciate you, and I enjoy working with you. Even with the amount of crap that I give you, there's a lot of respect there. So
thank you for your service. Happy Veterans Day.
I have mad respect for what you've done for our country. Thank you again for your service.
Thank you for all you've done for our country, and thank you for all you do for this practice.
Thank you for your service and everything that you've done for us, and I really enjoy working with you.
Hey Randy, congratulations on your 22 years of service, and thank you for that wonderful service, and thank you for your friendship.
Hi Randy, it's me, Remy. My mom sent me to do this for her because she's a little camera shy. She just wanted to let you know that she really appreciates you serving our country and wishes you a happy Veterans Day. Bye.
Hey Randy, on Veterans Day this year, we wanted to make sure that you understood how important we felt this day was for you, and how much we appreciated all your service to the country and how big of a deal we felt that was. So we wanted to put a video together for you just to say thank you and to show you how much we all care, and happy Veterans Day. Although I will take credit for the idea, Maddie really did all the hard work for this video, so you can thank her, and hope you have a great Veterans Day.